Good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to the computer session. We will continue the software and its types. In the last session we have learned what is software. The software is the collection of programs that tells the computer to perform operations like input, processing and output. And we have learned different types of software, right? And that we have learned what is operating system software, example of operating system software, and what are the basic functions of the operating system software. Okay, now we will move into utility software. Okay, so what is utility software? So the utility software and application software. Okay, so utility software are the programs that assist in the smooth functioning of a program. So what is the use of utility software? It is used for what? As to assist. The utility software assist the computer to smooth functioning of a computer. Okay, so the utility software is a software. It is designed to help analyze, configure and optimize or maintain a computer. Okay, so the utility software helps to manage, maintain and control the computer resources. Okay, so what are the utility software? So utility softwares, you can say backup, right, and antivirus. Okay, some utility softwares, so that is antivirus software. So what is the use of antivirus? To protect your computer against virus attack, we are installing the antivirus software. That means the antivirus is software, but that is utility software. The same thing, backup utility. Okay, so the backup. So the backup program, that is a backup software, is used to what? Recover the data in case of accidental loss. So we have to recover the data, right? That time we are using the backup. So the backup is also a software, but so that is known as utility software. Same thing, compression. So the compression software, so is used to what? Shrink the files. Okay, so that less disk space is occupied. Okay, so these files cannot be read directly. Once you compress your file, you cannot read directly and must be decompressed, right, in their actual form before use. So you are using what? WinZip and all, right? So decompress the software. If it is a movie file, for example, a movie file, the file size is very big, right? Then you can compress the file with the help of the particular software and you can put it in your pen drive, right? So antivirus, backup utility and the compression, these are all what? Utility softwares. So some utility softwares are available in free of cost on the internet, right? So now we will move into the application software. Okay, so the what is application software? So the application software is a type of computer program that perform a specific, okay, or personal or educational and business function software. Okay, so each program is designed to assist the user with a particular process which may be related to productivity or creativity or communication. So okay, so that is application software. So the application software is set of programs which are used to perform specific types of jobs like making calculations, arranging data in an organized way, right? For example, if you want to type, you want to create a presentation. So which software you will use? You will use a PowerPoint software, right? So that is a application software. So you want to type a letter. So which software you will use? MS Word or WordPad, right? So that is known as application software. So the some application software, okay. So general purpose, that is application software, are designed to meet the needs of an individual or an organization. So we will discuss one by one, okay. So application software, the first one is word processing software. So the word processor helps you to create a professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. So for which one you are using for a word processing software is MS Word and WordPad, right? With the help of MS Word, right, you can decorate the text, right? So it provides a many features to change the text in a desired manner of all computer application. So word processing is the most common software. Okay, so the you can say word processing is MS Word and WordPad. Now the second one, electronic spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is a program helps you to perform calculation. For example, MS Excel. So this year you are going to learn a MS Excel. The MS Excel is used for what? To do calculation or analyze the data, and you can display the information in a presentable manner with the help of electronic spreadsheet, that is Excel. Okay, a spreadsheet is a table, okay, which is divided into rows and columns. So MS Excel is a electronic spreadsheet. Now next one, database management system, that is DBMS. So you want to you want to store a large amount of information in your computer. That time we will use a DBMS, that is database management system. Okay, so it enables, the DBMS enables you to input the data, you can retrieve the data, you can sort the data, and you can manage the information in an efficient manner. So we will use a what? To store a large amount of data. So that time we are using a application software, that is database management system. For example, MS Access, Fox Pro, Oracle, these are all what? Database management system software. Next one, DTP, that is desktop publishing software. So this software, the package helps us to combine both text and graphics. Okay, so features to design professional documents. So can you see the newspaper, newsletters, brochures, business cards, right, greeting cards, web page, posters. Here you can combine the text as well as graphics, books, magazine, and more for professional or personal printing online or on screen. So you can use for a printing a magazine, right, greeting card, web pages, books. So we are using which application software? CorelDRAW or PageMaker or many more. Okay, so next one is graphics, that is a multimedia and presentation software. So graphics software, this software, the graphics software is used to create an image such as charts, graphs, logos, and photographs. Okay, so you can use a Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver. These are the what? Graphics software. You want to create a logo, okay, you can use this software. Okay, so you can use a Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver. These are all different types of what? Graphics softwares. Same thing, multimedia. So this is what? Combination what? Text and graphics. So it is used to what? Video, animation, sound, graphics and text with the high degree interaction. So that is multimedia. So many media you can combine, right? So you can use a game software, Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker. These are all graphics software. Okay. Now the presentation software. So you have already learned presentation software. So the presentation software, that is a PowerPoint, right? The PowerPoint, Flash is also a presentation software. With the help of PowerPoint, you can create what? Slideshows, right? It is what? Support a presentation. So you can combine here also, you can combine text, graphics and multimedia content to create a professional presentations. Okay, now you can see the WordPad, MS Word, what is that? Application software. So the Windows 7 is what? Operating system software. Same thing, antivirus, backup is which one? That is a utility software. These are all softwares, but these are types of software. It's a Android as a operating system software, right? Compression software is what? Utility software. Same thing, multimedia software is what? Application software. Right, children? Okay, so in this session we have learned what are the types of software, that is a system software, right? In that systems of software, again operating system software and utility software, right? And we have learned what are the functions of operating system software, and we have learned utility software, for example antivirus, compression software, backup software, right? These are all what? Utility software. So what is the utility, what is the use of utility software? So utility software helps to what? Manage, maintain and control computer resources. Okay, and we have learned application software, right? So application software is a type of a computer program, that is a software that performs a specific for a personal use or educational business functions, right? So you are using what? Application software. For example, DBMS, database management system, MS Word, Oracle, right? And MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, these are all, okay, calendar, calculator, right? You can say a Firefox, Safari, Google Chrome, right? Skype, these are all what? Application software. Yes children, we will stop this session. Saira.